Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you the Plum listing date. So in this video we are going to see what is the Plum expected listing date. So first step, you need to go on to the Google and you simply need to search for Plum listing date. So here you can see that the highly anticipated listing of Plum took in set for August 2024. So hopefully it will be listed in August 2024, and I think it will be listed in 2024. Back in time it decided to list in June, but it is not listed, so now it will be listed in August, that is the next month. So hopefully it will be listed soon. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.